Hi everyone, it's Kelly J from Joli Visage Skincare and Jolie Day Spa, and in today's video I want to show you a really amazing way to infuse your skin with lactic acid. Lactic acid and niacinamide. It is so fantastic for deep hydration, brightening, and great anti-aging ingredients. And before I start, I just want to ask you, if you are new to this channel, we bring you tips, tricks, and product from our skincare clinic in Southern California. We want to show you how to make changes in your skin at home. And if you would like to subscribe, I would love that. Hit the button below and hit the notification. And I want to let you know I upload every Thursday, and you'll get notification when we have a new tutorial for you. I thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy this video. So in this video, I want to show you how to do a lactic acid treatment to your skin, and I'm going to share the benefits with you. So I've got my little steamer going, and this is one of the little handy portable steamers that I love so much. I've got that going, and I'm going to start applying our Absolute Crepe Skin Creme, and I'm doing a little twist on this treatment because I want the lactic acid, the niacinamide, the fruit extracts, apple, watermelon extract, and sodium lactate in my skin. So I'm just applying this beautiful product that we just love for crepey skin, and I'm using it as a home treatment. So I've done a pretty good layer there, actually a nice layer, and apologize, I'm outside today. It's such a beautiful day in Southern California, and I thought I would just film outside. Okay, so I've got a nice liberal amount of Absolute Crepe Skin Treatment Cream on my face, and now I'm going to start the steaming. I apologize, you know, I'm a dog lover, so whenever they hear somebody near the property, they all three, Boone, our golden doodle, Wiley, our little mutt, and Ruby May, she's our Havanese. So they just feel that they need to be the police of our property. So I apologize, but we are animal lovers. And I just rescued two little kittens that I'm hand feeding, and they are sweet. So anyways, back to what I'm doing here is I want to explain a little bit about lactic acid. Lactic acid is a hydrating acid. It's from the AHA family, and it comes from soy or from milk, and it's a lactic acid has a larger molecule, which enables it to be penetrated deeper into the skin, and it has lightening ingredients, and it has hydrating ingredients. It is so beneficial for treating the skin at any age, but particularly 40, 50, 60, 70, we really see a great benefit in the skin. One of the reasons we launched this product is that we saw that another product for crepey skin was very popular. And knowing that you need to apply this product fairly liberally to the whole body, we thought, well, we can improve upon that in the way that we offer a larger amount with some active ingredients that might be or would be more beneficial. And that's exactly what this is. It's just luscious, for one, and it just has great ingredients in it. So with all of our products, there's always a way to use a cream or a mask or a serum and to tweak it, as I say, so that you get more results. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm going to take it off in a moment, and we'll look at my skin, and then I'll show you a next little step that will really help after I take the absolute crepey skin off. Okay, I think that's enough. At home, I would recommend steaming for 10 to 15 minutes. But for the sake of time, I'm just cutting this short. Now, I think you can see that my skin looks brighter and firmer. So I've mentioned the lactic acid, I've mentioned the fruit extracts. So we're essentially driving wonderful antioxidants and polyphenols into the skin. But I want to tell you a little bit about what niacinamide does for the skin. Niacinamide helps with the lipid barrier. It helps retain the lipid barrier. It helps with regulating oil. It protects against sun damage. It treats hyperpigmentation, and it minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. And it minimizes redness and blotchiness, as well as pore size. So it's a powerhouse. And I'm going to recommend that after this lactic acid treatment with the steamer, go ahead and do a couple pumps of our Neuropeptide. I know that if you watch us or follow Kelly J, me on the on YouTube, you'll know that I'm crazy about our Neuropeptide Serum, and I love the fact that it offers 6 important peptides, not just one, but it is just packed full of important peptides that are going to trigger collagen, that are going to flatten fine lines, that are going to just improve skin's health. But it has it has niacinamide in it. So the niacinamide is really improving the circulation in the skin. It's brightening. It's going to tighten my pores. That Neuropeptide is just fantastic for flattening fine lines. I go in for a double take, and I put it underneath my eyes and around my crow's feet. And then I just love to get the circulation going in my skin. And this is one of those tools that I absolutely love. It's actually a knockoff, and it's because I just didn't want to spend $300 or $400 on the REFA. Not that it's not worth it, REFA. Rifa is from Japan. And if you have no problem with spending $300 or $400, you're gonna love their tool. I just think that it doesn't work for everybody's budget, and all of you know that I'm pretty careful about what I spend on products, and what we list our products for, and what I personally would spend on different products. So I went ahead and found this really nice, very practical tool, and it works very much like a Rifa. And what I like about it is I can also do body treatments. So I can work the backs of my arms and my thighs and really infuse products. But I really love what it does for my skin. And you know, creating that circulation is everything. And getting the blood flow. It's really fun to use, actually. So this was just a very basic tutorial and a quick way to infuse your skin with lactic acid, apple fruit extract, watermelon extract, niacinamide, sodium lactate with shea butter. You cannot go wrong with this formula. We price it so affordably so that you'll get results at home. And so with that being said, I hope that this tutorial was helpful and that you enjoyed it. And I'll link the products down below, and there'll also be a link to my next video, which is going to be on lightly peeling the skin. So as always, thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, I would love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the bell for notifications. I upload every Thursday, and I'm bringing you the best home treatments we can to provide to achieve results in the skin, and to really turn back the clock and remove damage and grow healthy skin. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a really great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.